to help you get on your feet. They'll grow back next season anyways. But no, I'm not giving you a house. You know, I have I have I have seen boys like you pull their nonsense with other trees in the forest. First it's apple, then branches, then the trunk, and before you know it, that mighty beautiful tree is just a sad little stump. Well, look here, boy. I love you like family, but I'm not giving down like that. So, what Tree said? Tree has already given apples to the boy, okay, to get money. But when the boy wanted a house, he said, no, I'm not giving you my branches. I'm not giving you the trunk. He stopped the boy. पहले क्या था स्टोरी में? ट्री ने सब कुछ दे दिया था बॉय को. Here the tree is not giving it to the boy. What he said, and while we are on subject, the tree said, grabbing him by the collar and his shirt, I recognize friendship evolve over time, and we may not see each other as often because you don't have time for your friends, but we used to be real tight. Now it feels like I only see you when you need something. How do you think that makes me feel? The boy took a long breath. He felt a sour rumble in his stomach because he realized. See, this is very important because he realized the tree said that he's not giving the branches because the boy was coming to the tree when something is required. कुछ चाहिए तो दौड़ के ट्री के पास पहुंच जाता था. पर जब ट्री को उससे बातें करनी होती थी, the boy wasn't free. He was busy with something. जैसे हम पढ़ाई में बिजी होते हैं, खेलने में बिजी होते हैं. And we go to our parents. मम्मा ये चाहिए, पापा ये चाहिए, दादू ये चाहिए, ओके नानी ये चाहिए. So भूख लगी है, ये बनाओ, वो बनाओ. So this is what we keep on doing. But when they want to sit with us, when they want to hug us, we are not there. अभी नहीं खेलना, अभी नहीं आना, अभी हमें ये करना है, अभी हमें वो करना है. We just keep on, rejecting, going to them. So this is what this little boy was doing. उसको जब कुछ चाहिए होता था, वो ट्री के पास जाता था. Otherwise he was busy with his life. उसके friends थे, उनके साथ उसको खेलना होता था. He had, his job to do, and there were many things he was busy with. Okay, so tree said that you are not there like a friend for me. You come to me when you need something. So I don't want you to be like that. And see, like I said, what is very important? The boy realized, अगर हम गलती करते हैं, it's very important to realize that. हमें वो समझ में आना चाहिए. Okay, it's not necessary to announce it. सबको बताने की जरूरत नहीं है हमने गलती की. पर you should check yourself. खुद को हमें चेक करते रहना चाहिए. एवरी डे बिफोर गोइंग टू बेड जस्ट क्लोज योर आईज. ओके, अपने अपने किसी फ्रेंड को यू हैव सेड बैड वर्ड्स और समथिंग यू हैव नॉट डन व्हिच वाज इंपॉर्टेंट. सो दिस इज समथिंग दैट इज सेल्फ एनालाइजेशन. खुद समझो उस चीज को कि ये गलती की मैंने. ओके, जो हो गया वो हो गया, कोई बात नहीं, सबसे गलती होती है. बट आई विल नॉट रिपीट दैट. This is what makes you special. Now this boy was very sweet. उसने हुई गलती, पर उसने क्या किया? He realized that he didn't consider his friend feeling, but I bet it makes you feel bad, said the boy. तो boy क्या बोलता है tree को? Yes, I have not considered your feeling. और मुझे लगता है आपको शायद बुरा लगा होगा मेरे इस behavior से. See how sweet the boy was. Yes, boy, that. I can't even remember the last time you asked me how I'm doing. So do you do this to your parents also? आप मम्मी पापा को जाके hug करते हो? And do you ever ask, how are you? Do you need any help? Was it bad at times with you? हमको चेक करते रहना चाहिए कि वो भी रूड विद अवर पेरेंट्स. हमको कुछ खाना होता है, कुछ चाहिए होता है. सो डू वी गो टू देम एट दैट टाइम ओनली, या हम उनको अनकंडीशनल लव करते हैं, हम उनको बीच बीच में we keep on
हाँ,
reminding
आवाज कम
them
करो।
reminding them by
मोची आपने पानी
just
पिला दिया।
giving a hug or giving a kiss on the cheek. हम मम्मी पापा को, दादी दादू को बीच बीच में जाके we have to keep on reminding them. कोई उनके छोटे छोटे काम कर देना चाहिए जिससे कि उनको लगे कि ओके, he is there, she is there for us. उसको हमारा ध्यान रहता है. Okay? How are you, Tree? asked the boy. अब boy को क्या? He realized and he felt bad. तो वो ट्री से पूछता है, How are you, Tree? asked the boy. He sincerely wanted to know. और उसको सच्ची में ट्री को उसने समझा कि this tree is really like a family to me. वो मेरी बहुत मदद कर रहा था. Every time I was going to him. He sincerely wanted to know. So the tree told the boy all the gossip from the forest and introduced him to the family of red squirrels that had moved into the trunk while she was glad out for company the squirrels provided. She was concerned about the long-term health effects of the hosting a burrow. Okay, so up tree ke upar, there are many animals we find they live on the tree, insects, birds. तो अब ट्री जो था वो खुश हो जाता है कि बॉय जो है वो उससे शेयर कर रहा है फीलिंग्स, उससे पूछ रहा है हाउ द ट्री इज. तो वो उससे शेयर करता है कि पता है मेरे ऊपर अभी एक रेड स्क्विरल ने अपना घर बनाया है. ही इंट्रोड्यूस्ड द टू द रेड स्क्विरल. यस.
The squirrel also came to the tree and climbed.
Yes, see the tree. See, this is a giving tree. He's giving everything. He's giving shelter to the squirrel, to the birds, to the insects, to everyone. Okay? तो वो जो बॉय को
Ma'am?
स्क्विरल से भी मिलवाता है. They called the local authorities who explained that squirrel don't eat wood. They only build nest in pre-existing holes. Okay, जो already hole था उसने ट्री को हर्ट करके उसमें छेद नहीं बनाया था. The hole was already there. See how nice it was. So the tree was in no danger. The tree was so relieved. Yes, and so was the boy. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, in fourth class this chapter is there.
But not what I am reading now. And was concerned about his long-term health because she had taught him the importance of empathy. Now this is also very important. And so it continued, the tree and the boy looking out for each other like that. Both of them content in the knowledge that someone had their back. Okay, so they were backing each other. They were supporting each other. The boy attended culinary school. Culinary means cooking. The tree took courses online and got her certification in small business management. They did their homework together nearly every day. So the boy is meeting the tree every day, almost. The boy became a pastry chef. Together they opened a bakery, selling the best apple pies anyone had ever tasted. It turned a profit in the first 18 months, which is most uncommon. So instead of giving the trunk and branches, what tree did, he gave apples to the boy and asked boy to open a bakery shop. Or what they were selling, the apple pie. और जो boy था, he was a wonderful chef. उसने बहुत सुंदर, बहुत टेस्टी पेस्ट्रीज बनाए और they became famous. The pastries become famous in the town, and within 18 months उसने जितना भी money जो spend किया था to open a shop, it was recovered. Eventually, the boy had a son of his own, and much later, the son of the boy had his own family too. Because of their relationship, the boy was successful and fulfilled, and the tree grew wider and stronger. Now, see, both of them were flourishing. ट्री भी और बड़ा होता जा रहा था और जो बॉय था वो भी और मनी अर्न कर रहा था. और बॉय का जो बेटा हुआ, he was also in the business, तो उसको भी पैसे मिल रहे थे. So now you see the relationship, it's two-sided now. for many, 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 many years, plus a few years even more than that. And as each generation played in the strong old branches, the tree often thought back to the fateful day when the boy had asked her for a house. In truth, she would have gladly given him her branches to build one. She would have given him her trunk to build a boat. She loved him so much. But then she would have had nothing left, not for herself nor anyone else, and there never would have been a home for the red squirrel. There would haven't been no hide and seek with the boy's grandchildren, no bakery with the best apple pies everyone ever tasted. Setting healthy boundaries is very important part of giving. It assures you will always have something